When I make chicken like this, there's nothing left. Let's start this recipe by cutting 2 chicken breasts, this way I'm doing. Next, I will add salt to taste. You will be amazed at the result. And also black pepper to taste. I will spread very well using my hands. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Rachel Verrucht from Texas. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. I'm gonna turn around and repeat the process on the other side of the chicken. Now in a pan, I will put some oil. Let's put the chicken in the pan and let it fry. I have no doubt that you will enter your routine, just as you entered mine. When I reach this point, I will turn to fry evenly from all sides. Then we can remove the chicken from the pan. Look how beautiful he looks. Now in another pan, I'll put some olive oil. 3 cloves of garlic chopped. With a spatula, I will stir until fried. 100 grams of tomato sauce. Do it at your house and then come back here to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. I will also use a tablespoon of soy sauce. After I learned to do so, I never ate chicken otherwise. In a container with half a cup of water, I will add a tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Let's add this mixture to the sauce we prepared and stir well. When you get to this point, I'll put the chicken we fried back in the pan. I have no doubt that you will thank me for teaching you to do so. Using a few ingredients present in everyday life, we can make a much tastier option than those sold in conventional restaurants. I'll put a little more of our sauce on top of the chicken because it really tastes amazing. Even your family will ask you to teach them how to do it so well. When you get to this point, we can take it out of the pot. To finish, just put a little parsley on top, but this part is to taste. And our recipe was already ready. Look what delight was. A great option to do on days that you do not have much time to cook. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.